T is tangent theta. Tangent, reciprocal of tangent is cot, so tangent and cot theta. Tangent theta and cot theta both are positive in third quadrant. In the fourth one, copy. C means cos. Okay, cos and secant opposites are made reciprocal of that. Cos and secant which are reciprocal of each other are positive. This is for positive sign. For plus sign of positive. For positive sign, this formula is to be remembered. ASTC means all students to coffee. All students to coffee. All students to coffee. All students, these four letters are denoting these four quadrants. The first quadrant, all are positive, means all 6 trigonometric ratios are positive. Their values are positive. Second sign S, all students took coffee. Okay, or take coffee or took coffee, doesn't matter. Maybe in the past tense or it may be in the present tense. All students take coffee or took coffee. These four letters are for all the four quadrants. In the first quadrant, all positive. Second quadrant, sign positive. Third quadrant, tan positive. Tan or reciprocal is cot. Tan and cot both are positive. Sine and cosine, sine and cosine. Sine and cosec both are positive. Second, first all are positive. In the third, fourth one, cos is positive. C, cos and secant, which are reciprocal of each other, so they are positive. This is how we remember the quadrants. What are the signs of trigonometric ratios in different quadrants? The fourth question. This formula is just remember. Okay, so remember all. These for four quadrants. What are the signs of these four trigonometric ratios? 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios have these signs in four quadrants. All the four quadrants. First, second, third, fourth. This is a formula which we remember, and these are the signs in four quadrants. Okay, now let me talk about question number 6. Sorry, 5th. This was the fourth question. Now let me talk about question number 5. What does question number 5 say? Let me check it. Question number 5 is, what are the values of trigonometric ratios of important angles? For that, I'll just give you some shortcuts. But before that, let me clean it properly. Okay. Now, important angles. We will take some important angles which are mostly used in trigonometry. In triangles. To find the solution of triangles, to find the sides of the triangles. So those angles we will discuss about. In question number 5, let me talk about. And how do we calculate those values? Those angles, just we have to remember that. Now let me take question number 5. The 5th question, it says, what are the values of trigonometric ratios of important angles? Let me take important angles, trigonometric values. These are trigonometric ratios of important angles. Values of trigonometric ratios. Take values of trigonometric ratios of important angles. Important angles. Important angles. These are the important angles. What are the trigonometric ratios of some important angles? Some important angles, we always take those angles from 0 degree. This is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, up to 90 degree. From 0 degree to 90 degree. These are the 5, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 degree, and here 5 important angles. The trigonometric ratios of these angles, how do we remember them? The values of the ratios. Here the angles here, we have taken angles, and here ratios, trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Now we have to take those ratios downwards. And angles, these are angles. The value of those angles, how do we remember? First have to take here sine theta. Sine of angle, sine 0 degree. Sine of angles. Here theta is 0 degree, theta is 30 degree, theta is 45 degree, etc. Now this is cos theta. Tangent of theta. Okay. Then cosec theta. Then secant of angle theta. Here cos theta. These are 6 trigonometric ratios. What are the values of these? How do we remember them? That we talk about. What we do? We just write. This is how we give the hint of the student to remember the values. Okay, and these values are just calculated. They are just facts which are a number of times which are repeated. Just we have to remember them. Okay, so just remember them by a Rotten method. But that's Rotten method or remembering method. First we write 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4. From 0 to 4 we write these values. Then we divide it by 4. Each number is divided by 4. 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. Then find the square root of them. The square root of them. After first solve them, cancel them to each other. If they are cancelable, they are, the 4 upon 4 is 1, the square root of 1 is 1. These values will give us the value of sine. Sine is 0 upon something is 0, and the square root of 0 is 0. 0 upon 4, what we write? 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4 we write from 0 to 4. These are 5 values we write. We divide each number by 4, and after solving them, we find the square root. Put the square root sign. So square root of 0 upon 4 is 0, because 0 upon something 0, 0 is square root is 0. 1 upon 4, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, this is 1 upon 2. Square root of 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. This is first cancel out, then this is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 we write square root 2. Because 2 square root cannot be written down. We have just find out the square root of 2. This is written like. Now these are not cancelled. 3 and 4 are prime to each other. They are prime number to each other. 3 to 4 cannot be cancelled out. The square root of 3 is 3 only. Under root 3 we write. The square root of 4 is 2. Sorry. It is 2 here. So square root of 3 we cannot calculate. We are not calculating. Put square root sign upon 3. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. That is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. So these are the values of sine of different angles. Sine 0 degree is 0 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1.2. Sine 45 degree is sine of 45 degree is 1.2. Sine of 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree is 1. Okay. This is how we remember them, just by shortcut. And remembering them, we just write 0 to 5, 0 to 4, sorry. There are 5 numbers. We divide them each by 4. Then, find the square root of those numbers. After cancelling them, if they are cancellable, they can be cancelled. Like this 3 upon 4 cannot be cancelled. They are prime number to each other. They are prime to each other. 4 upon 4 is 1. After solving this as a 1. And the square root of 1 is 1. This 2 upon 4 is 1.2, square root of 1 is 1, 2 square root is 2, right? This is 1.4, square root of 1 is 1, for 4 is 2, and 1.2. Now these are the values of sine. Just calculate the value for sine angle. The trigonometric ratio sine. What is trigonometric ratio? First is sine. Sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 degree. Just to remember that. After that we remember that when we solving questions, remember these values so that we can find out different values of the trigonometric ratios. So sine, value of sine is just remember like this. Now what in case of cos? We just reverse these values. 1 is for 0, root 3 by 2 is for 30 degree, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, is root 3 by 2. This as it is 1.2. This 1.2 right here, 0 right here. Just reverse them. The middle value is as it is. Now we just calculated what are the quotient ratios. Quotient ratio is tangent is quotient ratio. Cot is quotient ratio. You know quotient ratio. Quotient trigonometric ratio. Here quotient trigonometric ratios. So these are known as quotient trigonometric ratios. These two are tangent is, you know that tan theta is p upon b, perpendicular upon base. Now if I divide p by h and b also by h, base also by h, no change. But p upon h is sin theta. P upon h perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin theta in the numerator, and b upon h in the denominator. If I divide by h, numerator and denominator doesn't change, then change the ratio. It is still p by b. It is still p by b. It is b upon b can be written b upon h because h is cancelled out. H cancelled out. So b upon b it is still there. But p upon h in the numerator is sin theta. Because perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin theta. And in the denominator we have base upon hypotenuse is cos theta. So what do we mean by this? The value of tangent, if we have to calculate the angles value in tangent, trigonometric ratio tan, then what we do, we divide sin theta upon cos theta. Whatever the value of sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree, sin 30 degree upon cos 30 degree, that will give us the value of tan 30 degree or tan 0 degree, tan 60 degree. If we have to calculate these, and this is b upon p, numerator we can divide numerator and denominator by h again, b upon h upon p upon h. This is cos theta b upon h. This is cos theta. Okay, cos theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Why? Because p upon h in the denominator is sin theta. In the numerator we have b upon h, which is cos theta. Cos upon sin is cos theta. Tangent is sin upon cos theta. If p upon b or p upon h upon b upon h, b upon h is cos theta sin theta, and b upon h is cos theta sin theta upon cos theta. If we calculate, we divide sin upon cos. So tan 0 degree can be calculated as sin theta upon this, sin 0 degree upon cos 0 degree, which is 0 upon 1, which is 0. 0 upon 1 is 0, so 0 divided by something 0. 1.2 upon root 3 by 2. If I divide this upon this, 2 to cancel out, it is 1 over root 3. Now this same value is 1, a upon a or b upon b is 1. This is 1 upon root 2 upon 1 over root 2 is 1. So in tangent, we just divide sin theta upon cos theta. But in terms, this is quotient trigonometric ratio. Tan theta is, tan can be expressed in terms of sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, cos theta can be expressed in terms of cos theta and sin theta. Cos upon sin theta, cos theta upon sin theta is cos theta. Similarly, tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so this is how we divide this upon this. Now, only these three ratios are to be remembered, but others are the reciprocal of the previous one, because cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Just reversing the value of this, writing 2 upon root 3 is value of cosec 60 degree. Cosec 45 degree is root 2 only, root 2 upon 1 is root 2. Cosec 45 degree, second 45 degree, this 1 upon cos theta is second theta. So 1 upon cos theta means 1 upon root 2, that means root 2 upon root 2 only. This is how others are reciprocal of these three. Those values are simply calculated. But first we are calculating this upon sin theta from cos theta, sin theta from cos theta. If we cancel out only root 3 upon 1, that means root 3. 1 upon 0 is not defined. This is 1 upon 0, not defined, equal to infinity, not defined. This is not infinity or not defined. This is not defined. Indefinite value. Not defined. This is not indefinite value. This is sign of indefinity. Of infinity. This is not indefinite value or infinite value. This is sign of infinity. We write as this infinity sign. 1.0 is infinity. Tan 90 degree is infinity. Okay. Tan infinity. This is infinity here. Now cosec is 1 upon sine. 1.0 is not defined. This is infinity again. And this 1 upon 2 is 2 only. Cosec is sine upon 1 upon sine, 1 upon sine, this is root 2 only. Or 30, this is 2 by root. And this 1 upon 1 is 1 only. Similarly, second theta is reverse of cos, so this is 1 here, 1 upon 1, 2 by root 3, this is 2 by root 3. This is root 2 only. And this is 1 upon 2 means 2 only. This is 1 upon 0 means infinity, not defined. Or because cos theta, sin theta, cos theta being noted down in reverse order. Similarly, from cosec we can write second also in reverse order. 1 is here, this 2 upon root 3 is here, root 2 as it is, 2, infinity. Now tangent is, so cot is reverse of tangent, reciprocal of tangent here. This is 1.0 to infinity. Whatever in case of tangent, infinity is here, infinity we can write here. And this is 1 upon root 3, this is root 3 here. 1 upon 1 is 1 only. Tan 45 degree, cot 45 degree is 1 value. And this is root 3 here, it will be 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Tan cot 60 degree is 1 upon root 3. And this tangent, cot 90 degree, that's 1 upon this. So 0 here. Because 1 upon 1.0 means 0 upon 1, that means 0 here. Okay, so cot 90 degree is 0. This is cot 90 degree, it is 0 here. Cot 90 degree is 0. This is 0 here. Alright, so these are the 6 important angles we have taken here. These important angles we have just defined. The value of important angles. Some important angles we have taken here. This is what question number 5 we have talked about. Now we will talk about question number 6. What are the trigonometric ratios of allied angles? That I will talk about. Okay. Now that we have just, these are the important angles which we remember by writing this basic formula. For sine we find